I'm Danny Dyer, and this is the Real Football Factories International. I played Tommy Johnson in the film The Football Factory, which was all about football violence. Fucking nutters. Then I travelled the UK and met the real football firms. Now, I'm going international. 9 countries in 2 months. Around the hooligan world in 60 days. A whole new level of football violence. We'll be in riots. We'll get tear gassed, chased, and even shot at. It's going to be quite a trip. Tonight I'm in Poland, home to some of the most feared football firms in the world.
U nas jak jest wojna, to jest wojna na całego. We wszystkich, na każdym froncie.
Już widzisz tego przeciwnika, to nagle klapki, wszystko jakby wiesz, wyłącza się wszystko.
Around 100 hooligan gangs and thousands of hooligans having tear-ups across the country. It's a crazy place, a cauldron of football violence.
In the Polish Premiership, the hooligans have a league of their own. The hardest, the most brutal, top the league.
Just imagine what it was like back in the 80s. Britain's hooligan heyday. Well, that's Poland today. And I'm going to take you right onto the front line. I'm going inside the Polish firms, right to the centre of this violent world. I'll be face to face with blokes in balaclavas, in shady places straight out of a snuff movie. And I'm going to experience the most intense derby in Polish football. Part inferno, part all-out riot. I've got to admit, I'm a bit worried about who I'm going to meet. I mean, are they going to let me into their world, or are they going to tell me in no uncertain terms where to go? And will somebody please tell me why I agreed to come here? Because it's puzzling me. No, I need a little bar, I need a little cheeky vodka. What's Polish for Dutch courage?